So I'm going to show you how to access Google Map offline. Firstly, you have to launch your Google Map, which is here, Maps. And after you launch your Google Maps, now let us use the portrait view for better understanding. Search the name of location using search button here. The location you want to save for offline, which is here. Then you have to type the name of the location, for example, like this. Then you drag here up. If you slide it up, then select here, which is download. Then it will show you the extent you want to download. You can zoom it out or zoom it in, depending on the size of the area you want to download. Here you can see it is showing that it will take 30 MB of your free storage of, on the phone. So after downloading it here, you can access all the places downloaded even without internet connection. I hope you found this video very interesting. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye. See you next time.